Hello, this is Solving Inequalities, Multi-Step Inequalities, Example 5. Example 5 has a story problem where um, a car wash costs $10 and you get to pay 10 cents less per gallon if the car gets a car wash, and you have to figure out the possible amounts of gallons of gasoline that you can buy if you want to get the gasoline and the car wash and spend at most $30. My, all this is very confusing when you read it. I really do understand how hard these things are, and they're impossible unless you start writing stuff down. And you can start any place, whatever comes to mind, looking at the numbers. Um, I, the first thing I'm going to write down is the cost has to be less than or equal to $30. Okay, now that gets me started. Okay, now I think, well, what's the cost going to be? Well, the cost is going to be $10 for the car wash. That's definite. And then I'm going to buy some gasoline, and it's going to be the cost of the gasoline times however many gallons. So if I got 1 gallon, it'd be $3.30. 2 gallons, it'd be $6.66, and so forth. Now, however, it says that it's 10 cents less per gallon. So it's really going to be $3.23. So I'm going to say the gallons times $3.23. So my cost altogether has got to be less than $30. It's going to cost me $10, and however many gallons times 3.23. So that's the question. We have to figure out the number of gallons. So this is going to be my x. So that's going to be 3.23x plus 10, and that's going to be the cost, and that's got to be less than or equal to $30. So let's try that, see what happens here. I said 3.23x, add $10 for the car wash, and this has to be less than or equal to $30. Well, that looks good. Cost, let's see, $10. That's how much gasoline. There's no other price. Yeah, that looks good. So let's proceed to solve this. I'm going to minus 10 to both sides. So 3.23x less than or equal to 20. So x is going to be less than or equal to whatever whatever 20 divided by 3.23 is. It's just like this. If 2x equals 6, we had to divide both sides by 2. So here I have to divide by 3.23. So 20 divided by 3.23 equals 6.19. And I guess I'll round that to 6.2. So it's got to be less than or equal to 6.2 gallons.